If you're looking for Apple CarPlay in your Tesla Model Y, you might be surprised by what you find. The reality is that Tesla does not natively support Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in any of their vehicles. You might wonder why such a tech-forward car would skip this standard feature. Tesla prefers to maintain total control over their software ecosystem to ensure deep integration with their unique hardware. While CarPlay offers a familiar interface, Tesla's native system is designed specifically for electric vehicle routing and climate control. Most owners rely on Bluetooth for audio or use third-party hardware adapters that bridge the gap, though they can be buggy. To get the best experience, simply pair your phone via Bluetooth and utilize the built-in streaming apps directly on your Tesla display. If you choose to use a third-party CarPlay adapter, be aware that they often rely on the Tesla browser and may have performance limitations. Always prioritize safety by setting up your music and navigation before you put the vehicle into drive. Remember that while it is a walled garden, the native Tesla software is highly optimized for the electric driving experience. Stop searching for CarPlay settings and embrace the Tesla ecosystem, and don't forget to subscribe for more EV tips.